then we're going to be talking about our, he's looking at to stop me. He's going to stop me. Yeah, it didn't go well. Boom, movie magic. But you hand me a script, it's like, hey Dalen, remember these words. And you're like, all right, go, forget everything. Literally, we can't film anything without people just showing up like, hey, do you guys have a camera?
Hey,
is that
look,
a camera?
We just have matching hats. I just wanted to stop.
Is that a camera? What do you guys do with that camera? Are you filming stuff?
All right, I'm out of here.
So last time you guys heard from us, we were at the racetrack and we set the record. Car is currently the fastest 10th gen Civic. We still are on the stock motor. Talk more about that here in a little bit. For starters, finally we are starting to release some of the parts we've been working on with this car for the past year. So we are going to be going live on the website here in the next coming weeks with the parts that we've been working on. Here behind me, we have, this is probably the biggest one that we're going to be releasing. This is our port fuel injection adapter. So it's a manifold spacer. It's going to be more so for the kind of DIY customer. It's going to be for the guy that wants to build his own fuel system. So this is going to be just the adapter itself. We are working on a line kit. It's something that we'll be finalizing here. I'll say soon, this is going to be going live on the website. This is going to come with everything you need to bolt on 4 port injection adapter pieces to your car. The next piece that we got coming behind me is going to be our actual fuel pump mount. So our fuel pump mount here so that we can put a Walbro 450 in tank with this car. Same thing, this is more targeted towards the DIY customer. We're going to have a complete kit for like return fuel and everything that will come together here soon. But this is for the guy that wants to do everything himself. We've heard a lot of customers mention to us that they want to build the same stuff that we're building. So we're going to make this available to you. You can put the fuel pump right in the tank with this. You will still need to set up a fuel pressure regulator. You'll need a fuel filter. There's a lot of other things that you'll have to do with this, but the piece is available for you. 2 other pieces that I don't have in front of me here. We have an OEM replacement fuel line. We're going to have a fuel line that connects from the top hat all the way up to the high pressure fuel pump. And it's going to be replacing the factory 1/4 inch line, as we have found that that's a pretty big restriction in these systems, especially when adding a larger pump. Outside of that, we have our small brake kit that is going to be designed around the people that want to put a 15-inch wheel on this car. We use the 8th gen Civic SI brakes that allow you to run a 15 and still have roughly the same sizes as far as pistons go that match the factory master cylinders for a brake system that you can still street drive the car, you can drive it around every day, and you're not going to be compromising the car's ability to do both racing and driving it to work every day. Pretty excited about that. We're not the first and only people to be doing this. It's something that's fairly common knowledge, but we have a comprehensive kit that'll come to you guys that you can purchase that'll have everything you need to install it on your car. All right, so now that we have talked about the parts that we're going to be releasing, let's talk about the stuff that we've been doing in the car next. So as you can see behind me, the drag wing. There's a couple functions of this. Number 1, it looks cool. That's the most important, as we all know. Number 2, the idea is that it straightens out the air coming off the car. We did see some improvements when we took the factory wing off, so we're hoping that with the addition of this, it's just going to get better. Like I said though, at least it looks cool. On top of that, following that same mentality, we actually had one of our local tint shops come by and tint the windows of the car. I think you all can kind of figure out what the purpose of that is. It looks a lot cooler, because who doesn't like a white car with dark tint? Trying to make the car a little more stylistically appealing. We've been working on it, making it going faster for years. Let's spend some time making it look even cooler. We did the wheels, that made it better. We did the wing, now that made it better. Now we're doing the tint. On top of that, we put a bigger turbo on the car. We were on the GTX 3071, and we had just kind of reached the cap of what that turbo wanted to do. We had some more power that we wanted to make with the car. So with the bigger turbo, we hope that we can raise the power threshold a little bit more. And if the turbo alone doesn't do it, we have a couple other things that we're working on that might be options to help us with that here very soon. If all goes as planned, we'll be showing you guys that here very quickly. Excited to kind of see what's happening with that. We're finally at the end of the development road with our intercooler also. That's been something that many of you have been asking for a long time now, and we're finally ready to release. We're finally happy with how the product's coming out for us. That's gonna be something that you should be seeing added to our site here very soon, along with our production version of our turbo kit. Don't worry, we haven't forgot about this car. Yes, we have our Supra. Yes, everybody's been talking about that. The Honda is still exciting. It's still something we're gonna put time into. It's still something we're chasing after goals and records with. So I'm excited to see what's next. I'm excited to see kind of what we can get out of this next setup, and we can kind of go from there.